Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I am so excited to show you this cute little baby book. This time I used the Simple Stories Boho Baby 12x12 collection kit. It came with cute little cut-aparts right here and then a cardstock sticker sheet. So many fun little elements. Right here on the front I popped up one of the cute little cards right there and I matted it with this cute paper. Oh my gosh, I got that out of the single sheet aisle at Hobby Lobby. I did a color mat there and then I stuck that on top. And then this cute paper I just thought would be perfect for the back. And then again, I got that going around there. And this is even Dollar Tree ribbon right here. And I was so just excited to finally use what I had in my stash. And I thought it matched really well. Right here, this is the Slender mini album. So if you haven't made this one yet, the original class actually uses Christmas paper. And I'll leave that one down in the description if you wanted to check it out. This time I used baby paper on the design and it was a complete plug and play situation. It was so much fun. I've got this nice 8x10 picture spot right here. So this design actually is specified for 8x10s, 5x7s, and 4x6s. And of course you could just stick your photo in there. Got some pretty acetate going on. But I decided to add a little tab and a cute little picture mat that comes right out of there. And then cute and cuddly. I just thought this was so adorable. A nice big picture of the baby right here. So this is baby girl paper. I did like the way they added blues too. So I thought that was cool. Love the cute little sticker right there. And again, this is for a nice landscape 5x7 right there. I'm in love with this cute, love white background paper. I also noticed that they did have some tags going through all the months for the baby, but I just didn't find it suiting for this particular layout. So I'm actually in the midst of designing my own baby paper, so I'm watercoloring baby boy paper, and I want to make sure I have like months that you can put, because I didn't want to cut around the one and then jeopardize not being able to have the weight and height for that particular month. So I always keep in mind when I play with paper packs how I want my paper pack to be when I design it. Cute little 4x4, 3x4, and a 2x2. Cute little spot right there. This flips over, and of course I stuck a couple stickers here. And then again, you could even journal on the back of these if you wanted. They had a cute little goodies page, a couple little stickers there. I can't forget my journaling lines. They're just way too much fun. So we've got portrait and landscape pictures in here for 4x6 and 5x7s and 8x10s, which I love. So a couple little extra little picture mat spots just for a cute little flat layout. Love how thin this book is. I've always wanted to make a book this thin. And I finally did it. I think I even want to go a little bit more slim on an upcoming design. And here are some more cute little those. Oh my gosh, their faces. Look at this acetate. And the cute faces of the stars. I just love it. Shine bright. Super cute. Oh my goodness. And if you've never taken a class with me before, I'll go ahead and leave this one up here. Oh my gosh. So much fun. Look at this. And then here's a cute little tag back here. They had a couple tags with just, you know, happy little sayings on them. Cute little banner sticker right there. I added the Stampin' Up! Tab punch right there. And again, a cute little addition of one of these little goodies. And I just did a little bit of calligraphy right there with my pen. It's so fun how you can customize these books. Endless ways that you can use this paper. And this book comes together in a nice afternoon. Right here we've got a 3x4, 2x2, and again, another little layout right there. And you can't forget a nice big 8x10 right here on the back. I just really had so much fun. You can even journal on the back there, or even add some more small photos on the back of this big mat. Look how cute. That was actually from one of the 4x6 cutouts. I just fussy cut around that Love You banner, and then I just stuck these on there. I did a lot of angling, so this only took me one paper pack, and I did select which exact papers I wanted from the collection, because there were some darker tones that I just weren't really my flavor. And I love how we can just completely customize what we want. Also, I'm so excited for all the new things coming out this 2024 new year. I will be teaching an in-person class this September, so I'm going to try to put out the information once we get it all organized. I would love to meet you guys in person, so if you were interested in that, hang around the socials, because there's going to be info out there on that. And thanks to my friend Lisa from our Facebook group, Mini Album Artists, she actually inspired me to start a crafters podcast, so that's what's coming out this year too. So we're going to start working on some new stuff. Also, I'm giggling because there is something absolutely ridiculous coming up in just a couple days, or by the end of Friday or Saturday, somewhere there. and it's gonna be funny, and I just can't wait to see your guys' reactions. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Again, the class for this particular Slender Mini is down here, as well as that free class that I was talking about if you wanted to take it. Oh my gosh, favorite tools down there too. Hugs to everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye.